Hello friends, this is Vinay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can perform clean boot of your Windows 11 system for troubleshooting. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to click on the search icon and then you need to type msconfig. When system configuration application appear in the search results, click to open it. Now here you need to change startup selection to selective startup. Most of the time this is set automatically, but in case it is set to normal startup, then you need to switch to selective startup, and after that you need to switch to services. Now here you will get list of all the services running in the background. You need to check the box for hide all Microsoft services. Now you will get the list of non Microsoft services. You just need to click on this disable all button and then click apply. OK. Now system will ask you to restart your computer, but you need to close this because we need to perform an extra step. Now you need to launch a task manager, and for that you need to right click on the start button and then select task manager from the list. Now here you need to switch to startup tab. Here you will get list of startup program. You need to disable all of them. Now once done, close task manager, and you need to restart your computer. This time your Windows 11 PC will boot in the clean boot state. In case the issue still persists, then something else is triggering the issue, and in this situation you should restart your Windows 11 PC in safe mode or use another troubleshooting method. On the other hand, in the clean boot state, if your system is working properly, then it is possible that one of the non-Microsoft service or the startup program is triggering the issue. You just need to troubleshoot which application is causing the issue. After you are done with troubleshooting your PC, you can enable the services and apps that you have disabled, and for that you need to again launch system configuration, and for that type msconfig and launch system configuration application. Here you need to switch to normal startup, and in the services tab you need to check this hide all Microsoft services. Here you will get list of non-Microsoft services. You need to enable all and then click apply. OK. Now open the task manager and switch to startup tab. Here you need to enable the startup program of your choice. Once done, you need to restart your computer again. Now this time when you log into your computer, this will exit the clean boot state in Windows 11 PC. So that's all about this video. This is how you can perform clean boot in Windows 11 PC. I hope you find this video useful. Give it a try. If you have any query, feel free to drop in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.